Hey, welcome to Vanlife Hustles. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Susie.
We are a married couple from the UK and the US. No, that doesn't sound right, does it? Are we a married couple from the UK and the US?
No, that's
No.
not right.
Okay. I won't even mention being married. Right, you ready?
Oh, it's a giggle.
Hey, welcome to Vanlife Hustles.
Don't let me die, Lord, in this one-horse town. Ain't no point me being here if she's not coming.
Yeah, but you can turn around, there's a big roundabout at the bottom, come back. So that's good. It's a roundabout bit, so that's good, wow. Wow, that's fucking awesome, Susie. We can park anywhere around here. Apart from there, clearly. Because that person has literally claimed their space. Fucking hell.
You'll have to excuse my dirty windscreen. I'm just driving up and down Old Mam Tor road to give you a bit of an idea of the available parking areas, and I'll pop the postcode for the sat-nav at the end of the video.
Burger, chicken winner, what's it? Winner, chicken dinner. No.
Leave me alone.
Oh, chicken burger. Enjoy your burger. What's up, you tired? You ain't missing Truffle.
Oh, don't say
You ain't
that.
missing Truffle? So I'm going to sleep. She's like, leave me the fuck alone. What are you looking at? Look at the view.
Good morning, we are here at Mam Tor in the Peak District. It is looking like it's going to be a beautiful day. Bit misty, but it's looking good. Happy days. What a fantastic park up. It's nice and quiet this side, and there's a few vans the other side. Not many. Apparently this is a really popular spot. But we came just after the bank holiday, so hopefully everyone's holidayed out. Just saying that, there's a car coming down the road. There she is. Woo! I guess it's up there somewhere. The stones would be at the top. I guess right up the top there.
Yeah.
Up there somewhere. We're in a kissing gate. You know what that means, don't you? You've got to come in and have a kiss. Gonna use my tracking skills. Looks like sheep poo. More sheep poo. I'll find some sheep somewhere. Oh look, there they are. Up there. You tired after that climb up to the top of the hill? Well, I hope you don't go for you, Susie. Hello. Nearly at the top, and there's where we walked from. Oh, there's a mountain bike there. Cycled up there. I'd be dead if I tried that. Nearly there, Susie. Nearly there. Almost at the summit. If you go down to the woods today, you might get a big surprise. Susie coming down the hill. That was actually quite steep down to this point. But we just come across the tractor guys laying a brand new path. So, grabbing some water.
I'm tired now.
You're dying now.
I'm not dying, I'm just tired.
You're tired? Just thinking of that nice hot shower at the campsite. We're almost back to the van.
It's those steep,
Inclines.
yes, but that is, yeah.
Oh dear. Save some for me. Talking about steep inclines, there's one coming right up.
Yeah, but that's not as bad as those other ones.
No. Looks pretty. I think people get fed up of the people walking past their house. We've come from down there and we've got to go up there. All the way to the top where the van is. I think the road collapsed. There it was. So you could do some Dukes of Hazzard off the end of it. The great thing about the hiking in the Peak District is you spot these secret little gems of park ups that you can go to later on. Just like this one. All the way up that hill. Howdy. Proud of myself. Bloody hell, Susie. Despite all those inclines, we made it to the top and back to the van. How do you feel?
Tired. Good, it was good. Worth doing it. It was really good, but still tired.
Do you know how many steps we've done?
Probably about 15,000. Not much.
So, despite all of that, 11,305 steps.
I don't believe that.
We'll have to update it later.
Yeah, I don't believe that. It's more than that. It's definitely more than that, yeah.
Well, we'll see. Let me try again. That's bloody typical, isn't it? Sun's come out now.
Yeah.
Well, I walk back in the drizzle. The sun's come out. Clouds are blowing away. We did it, Susie.
Yeah. 3 hours. 3 hours.
Right the way from Mam Tor to Back Tor up there to Loose Hill. And back again.
Yeah.
And off to a campsite now. Whew. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, which is free, and give us a like, it's also free. Join us next week for a pub camp up review. Thanks for watching. Cheers everyone. Follow our journeys at Vanlife Hustles.